All right, guys, I wanted to share with you this Black Friday deal that is not going to last long. It is going to be gone soon. So if you click on the link in the description below, it might go back up to full price, which will be $139.99. This is the 32 gigabyte lilac colored, all new HD Fire 10. It is beautiful. It comes in ocean blue and also black. This one has octa-core. Octa-core is a way faster processor than the usual quad-core that you see in tablets that are twice the price of this. This is fantastic. It comes loaded with Alexa, and you can get as many apps as you'd like. And by the way, here she is. Alexa, what is today's date?
Today is Wednesday, November 27th.
Alexa, what time is it?
It's 8:50 a.m.
Alexa, is there a HD Fire 10 deal going on today?
Stuff.tv. The Amazon Fire HD 10 is the latest flagship slate in the company's roster, bringing a full HD screen, improved innards, and improved battery life.
Alexa, how many gigabytes of storage can the new HD Fire 10 hold?
The new HD Fire 10 comes with either 32 gigabytes or 64 gigabytes of internal storage, depending on the model, and the option to expand storage up to 1 terabyte using a micro SD card.
Alexa, show us the all-new Fire HD 10 on Amazon.
One moment. Showing results for Fire HD 10. I can narrow these down by Fire tablets or $50 to $100 if you'd like. I can add this to your cart or shopping list if you'd like.
To Silk browser, and I'm just going to show you guys. The Silk browser is like considered like Google, but it's their browser. So let's go into the Silk browser. And by the way, this is eBay. I'll show you how clear and beautiful eBay runs on this. Look at the beautiful, really magnificent colors and details on here. And you can go shopping on there as well. All right, so this is the Amazon Fire HD 10 tablet, newest model, and it's a octa-core processor, 3 gigabyte of RAM. This one is the 32 gigabyte model. Goes up to 64 gigabytes. You can choose from locked ads or unlocked ads, which would, of course, cost more money. And actually, we're going to find it in the lilac, so I can show it to you without the case. And there you go. That's it in the beautiful lilac color. This lilac color is gorgeous. Now, you don't have to just get it in the lilac color. You can get it in, again, the ocean blue or in the black. And let's go back, and I will show it to you in the ocean blue and also in the black. Let's go ahead and pull that up. All right, so here it is in black. And also here it is in the ocean blue. By the way, look at this price. It's a limited time only. You will not get it this cheap. It's probably only within 2 days, and this is gone. $74.99 as opposed to $139.99. Here it is in the ocean blue, which is another beautiful, beautiful color. I got that one for my husband. So this is not lacking anything. Now, where are you going to get a tablet for this cheap, that's this fast, this colorful, and this wonderful? Not many places. So this tablet actually boasts a 25 faster performance than the previous generation, which I had as well. Loved it. And I got it 2 years ago, and it still works, but I just wanted the latest technology. Now it has a 3 gigabyte of RAM, which is ideal for seamless streaming, reading, and gaming. Now, I'm not going to say her name. Alexa can actually even read you your Kindle books. So if you like audio books, she can read your books for you. It has a high definition 10.1 2080 full HD display. It brings brilliant colors to all your shows and games. You can binge watch longer with a 13-hour battery. Well, not on full brightness like this one, but of course, if it's on a lower brightness, you can watch it for 13 hours. It'll probably work for 6 to 8 hours on full brightness. It has a choice of 32 or 64 gigabyte of storage, up to 1 terabyte of expandable storage. Thin, light, durable. You can tap into entertainment from anywhere with your apps. Really great. I have Netflix on this. It actually is 2.7 times as durable as the Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2022. Stay up to speed with a 5 megapixel front-facing camera to zoom with family and friends. Now on the other side, the selfie side, is just 4,096 levels of pressure sensitivity. The made for Amazon Stylus pen sold separately, which I did not get. Instead, I got a group of Stylus pens, like a whole set of them for under $10 that works just as good. That is double-sided. That will be in the description beneath this video. This is really great. You can actually give this as gifts for Christmas. You have games, videos, songs, Audible books, many, many different free apps you can buy. Well, you can buy them, but they'll be free as well, is what I'm saying. Alexa, when were you born?
My birthday is November 6th, 2014.
Alexa, what is your favorite color?
I like ultraviolet. It glows with everything.
Alexa, what is today's date?
It's Wednesday, November 27th.
Now you just saw how beautiful YouTube works on here. I mean, absolutely seamless. Let's take a look at some more beautiful flowers. Now, please give me a subscribe. You can go on my videos, futures past. And again, you'll be thanking me for this wonderful sale deal that's only for a limited time. Now, if you have a Prime account, you can get loads. Now, if you join up for their Kindle Unlimited, you can get millions of books for free for $11.99 a month. With the tablets, sometimes they come with a deal of $35.99's worth of the app for 3 months for free, and then $11.99 afterwards. And I love the Kindle books. Also, you can shop on Amazon with the touch of a button, or by asking you know who. It starts with an A and ends with an A to open it up for you. And here we go. Here's all the Black Friday deals that you don't want to miss. Now, a couple of the features I want to show you. If you go into the gear wheel, you can change the brightness of your screen. So let's go ahead and get the display. And you can change also the font size, which is default for me. I always put it on large print. If you have problems with your eyes, or you need to have readers to see the icons and the words, always go with the largest of fonts. As you can see, it gets much smaller. The print will be bigger, and the icons will be bigger. Now, what we just did was make our app, like our app symbols, much larger by going into that. But let's go back, and we can change that again, and I'll show you really fast. As you can see, there's a lot of features with this tablet. And if you have bad eyes like I do, and you need readers, you don't need to have readers anymore. Let's go back out. And you can see now these are really big for you. If you have eye issues to see this better, let's actually make it more normal, because it's a little too big for me. And I'm going to have it almost 3/4 of the way. And there you go. Here's all your apps. Let's go ahead and check out the camera. All right, now I'm going to take pictures of these oranges and these tomatoes, and I'm going to show you how beautiful this works. As a matter of fact, let's open up the camera, and I'll show it to you. All right, so we're going to just pull this over right now, and I just unplugged it. So we're going to hit the camera settings, and in the camera settings, here we go. I don't know if you can see this, but this is a 5 megapixel rear camera. And what's beautiful is if you touch the object, it gets way more, you can see the detail way better. You have 3 different modes. You have HDR, auto, and night vision. And so we're going to actually take a picture of this. Let's go ahead. We're going to go into the camera mode. And now we're in camera mode. And I'm just going to pull my camera down a hair so you guys can see this. You can zoom in on the objects. You can see it's actually nice and crisp and clear. I'm going to just zoom back out just a hair. Just so you can see I'm moving the camera over this. And I'm going to take a picture of these beautiful, beautiful tomatoes and oranges. And right now, what mode are we in? I'll show you. Open up your modes in the bottom corner here. And it'll be auto, HDR, or night. Now we're in night. And in low light conditions, that's really good. Then we're going to go back and we're going to go into HDR. And here we are in HDR. And then I'm going to go into auto mode. And you can see it's beautiful in auto mode as well. We're going to take a photo of this in auto mode. And we're going to look at the gallery. And you can see it came out really, actually, the glare is really bad in my kitchen right now, but you can see it came out really beautifully. All right, so now we're in the video mode. And we can have it, again, HDR, auto, or we can have it in night. I'm going to put it onto HDR for a moment. And let's begin our video. These are beautiful, beautiful mandarin oranges with beautiful San Marzano tomatoes. And just going to go like that. We can even zoom in. And we can see the detail. All right, so we're going to play that back. These are beautiful, beautiful mandarin oranges with beautiful San Marzano tomatoes. And just going to go like that. We can even zoom in. And we can see the detail. All right, so this is really beautiful. This is a great camera, and you won't be sorry. I mean, for a tablet, you're not going to expect like 50 megapixels like a cell phone. Now, what is there not to like about this? I can't tell you. For this price, you will probably not find this deal in any other brand of tablet. You can actually rotate it, so it can auto-rotate. And you can watch it in selfie mode. So if you like TikTok, that's perfect for you. You can actually set it so it doesn't auto-rotate. But there we go. It's going to turn every which way that you want it to, even if it's upside down. And it's really great that you have this function and this feature. I'm going to show you some other accessories that you can get with this. All right, so the beauty of this tablet, which you will not find this price anywhere else for this much features, no way. You're not having it. I'm telling you right now, get on that site right now. In the description beneath my video will be the link, but you can turn this all different ways. You can have the selfie mode. You can turn it upside down this way, and it'll follow you. You can have it auto-rotate. You can shut off the auto-rotate. You don't have to have it in auto-rotate. And what I got here was a Fintie built-in screen protector case. The Fintie comes in lilac, it comes in blue, it comes in black, it comes in many different colors, it comes in pink, and I chose this one. It has a built-in stand in the back as well. If you want to lean it up on your table without getting the other accessory that I showed you, which is one of these, and I'll put links to all different kinds that are like this, which can be raised up higher or lower, tilted back at all different angles so you don't have your glare. This is fantastic. This is a heavy-duty metal. If I can't find another one, because this was sold out recently, this actually swivels 360 degrees, again, tilts 180 degrees, and can be raised up and tightened at all different levels. But I'll put comparables in there. If you don't have one of these, the Fintie, I'll show you the back of the Fintie tablet. The Fintie tablet has a built-in stand underneath this. This is another really you can't live without accessory. It's a strap that auto-rotates. So you don't even have to hold it like a book. And you can lay in bed and just, have it like leaning up against you. Just like that, and not even have to like place your hands around it like a book, which gets tiresome. Now they do have, I believe they have this knob that's almost like a pop socket. I think it's the G something. I'll find it in a moment, but the G something is like a pop socket, and your fingers in the pop socket, it'll get tired after a while of holding a 10-inch tablet like that. This is actually really great because you can change the size of the strap. So you can make it custom fit you. Now it also has a built-in stand as well. You can pop it out, and you can have it in selfie mode or landscape mode. And you can make it bigger or longer, as you can see here. And when you're not using it, you can just stick it right back in. And you can use just the strap, which is really, really fantastic. My dog is very interested in this right now. He's actually watching me do this. But here you go. You put your hands in here. And boom, you just like take the Velcro and you custom fit it to you. So I'm just going to pull it this way. And I love this strap. I'm telling you right now, this was way cheaper than the other one, which was the pop socket. And again, it locks your tablet into different angles for you. So I'm holding my tablet with that strap right now, and I can tell you that strap is really great, and it stops the fatigue of holding up the tablet in your hand. Another great accessory, which will be in the link in the descriptions below, will be the Stylus pen. You really, really don't want to get your fingerprints on the screen, especially if you're not using a screen protector. But my Fintie case has a built-in screen protector, and I love it. It has the cutouts in all the right places. Here's your charging port right here. This also has a headphone jack. That is like a way of the past. You do not find anything with headphone jacks anymore. So you can attach this to wired earbuds or wireless earbuds. It also has Bluetooth capabilities. You can attach a Bluetooth speaker to it to make it much louder, and you can attach it to many different Bluetooth accessories. What's great is, again, this case is not too chunky. The cutout areas are all in the right places for the volume, the power port, and the HD jack port. Really great. And what's also great is you have that built-in screen protector in here, so you don't have to worry about getting this all scratched up. On the back, again, it's nice and durable. You can see this. Look how durable this is. If you drop this, it is not going to cause you a big problem. By the way, this is the same lilac color as the tablet that they're selling. Really nice color for the Fintie case. All right, guys, at this price, at $74.99, you cannot beat this. If you click on my link and it's back up to $139.99, don't come crying to me. Actually not being paid for this video. I just wanted to share this great deal with you guys. You'll be very satisfied and happy with this. This is a wonderful gift to give for Christmas. It also comes in the 8-inch size. If this is too big for you, the 8-inch size is actually more of a transportable one, although this one is very transportable. You can, if you're a lady, you can place it in a large purse. And the 8-inch is way better for kids because it's lighter. This actually is not even heavy at all. I'm telling you right now, links will be in the description below. You saw all the different accessories that I showed you. Also the Fintie case with the built-in screen protector, the strap with the 360 where it can spin around. Also the Stylus pen. I'm telling you, grab it now in the links in the description below. This is a phenomenal deal with octa-core, 32 gigabyte. You can get it in the 64 gigabyte. But why do that when you can get a micro SD card for expandable storage up to 1 terabyte? Why pay more? You can just actually increase your storage later on and then save more movies and actual photos and videos and music to your gallery. This is a no-brainer. Grab it and grab it now. Links will be in the description beneath this video.